If you don't do these 4 things, you're gonna lose money when you sell your home. The first one is you need to clean your home from top to bottom. You wanna clean the windows, the baseboards, the light switches, you wanna dust, you wanna make sure that your floors are clean, that you've dusted the ceiling fans and gotten in the corners. It needs to be sparkling. The next one is you wanna do landscaping. You wanna make sure that if it's spring, summertime, that your lawn is manicured, that you have some flowers or some planters out in the front. If you're selling in the wintertime, you wanna make sure that your walkway and your driveway have been shoveled. The third thing you wanna do is you want to declutter and depersonalize. So anything that can be packed up, pack it up, put it in bins, put it in storage, because what you're selling is the idea of space. So if your cabinets and your closets are packed to capacity, in the buyer's mind, they're gonna think that there's not enough space for them in the home. That's not what you want to convey. And the last thing is you wanna fix anything that needs to be fixed. You wanna make sure you take care of those small repairs. In the buyer's mind, they're taking inventory of all the things that need to be done, and they're gonna ask for a discount if they do make an offer. And my bonus tip is a fresh coat of paint can go a long way. If you do these 4 things, plus my bonus tip, you are setting yourself up for success when you go on the market to not lose money and to make money instead.